Who's the fashion girl?
Me.
Shaking it, shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. I have a surprise for you.
What?
Open up this box.
Okay. My friend American doll. It's for my other American doll. It's my friend.
You don't have an American doll. This is your very first one.
No, I have one in my room with the ballerina shirt.
Well, she's something like it, but this is the real one. She has green eyes and brown hair, just like you.
Wow, that is absolutely fantastic.
How do we open this? Let's see. All right, tell me the names of your dolls.
Stacy and Renina.
Renina?
This is Stacy and this is Renina.
Renina. Where'd you get that name?
I don't know. I just need it. Almost. Renina has long hair.
Well, Stacy has neat hair.
Mom, they like each other.
Yes.
One is putting their hand and one is putting their hand. Look at them.
Aw, how sweet.
Emu.